Hello, welcome to our 1951 ALJO or ALJO or IHO beautiful camper trailer. Come with me, let's walk around. Giant windows, so great. You see over here, here's the trailer hitch. Beautiful windows. Down the back, we have this guy. We're going to get the key from our friend Scott soon for it. Nice louver windows. Got a little work to do. Just going to bring up a whole bunch of screws next week and get busy over here. There's the back. Looking good. Alright. Now come on over. More louver windows. Bees flying around. Come on in. Beautiful stepper. Came with it. This is inside. Let me show you the kitchen. Look at this beauty. Look at this. And yes, you'll probably see some bees in the video. They're everywhere. But yep, we got the old Magic Chef here. Clean as a whistle. Got the pull-out cutting board. Beautiful all around, if you notice. And got some hanging stuff here, a little water damage. We're going to have to check that out. But what you will notice about this camper is there's storage everywhere. Everywhere. You'll never run out of places to put your stuff. All here. Kitchen. Beautiful fan. Just need to get a couple knobs. We're good to go. Fire extinguisher will go there. Unfortunately, the fridge didn't come with it. We have this hole here. We'll have to figure out what to do with it. And in here, tons of storage. This thing is huge. You fit like an old 1960s TV in this thing. Over here is like a wardrobe. Oh, we'll have our clothes in there. Down here is for like shoes stuff. Really nice. And over here, this was a TV stand, like slide out. And we're going to have to repair this. But it's actually goes right there. So we'll have to fix that up. Go Navy. There's a bee. Hi, bee. Oh, we'll just put this here for now. And we also found when we were cleaning it up, Alfred Hitchcock. So, 2 beds. What are these? Twin? Yep, nice and comfortable. Got a box spring and everything. And even underneath, look at all this storage. Look at that. 5 pull-out drawers on this one. And same for this one. No, this one has 2 big ones. So I guess it's his and hers. I like these things, letter type things. I don't know what they're for. Well, look, more storage, casino advertisements. Got speakers for the radio. These I haven't even thought about yet. More storage. And fix that up. But the louvered windows are so nice. I love them. You know, this wood. Beautiful. All original. You can see the GIMP. The GIMP will show you. This is all original. Hasn't been played with. And back here, I'm going to have to put my light on so you can see in here. But this is the bathroom. Nice vanity. Look at that pink. I don't know if you could see it with this light. Nice pink sink. Nice backsplash. Guess this was a humongous medicine cabinet, but we don't have the sliding doors on it. This is the shower, walk-in shower. Nice. Nice. And up here, there's, I guess there was a skylight up here, but they closed it off because there's a lot of water damage over here. We'll have to take care of that. But the wood is really beautiful, all original. And over here, we have spiders, spider webs and stuff. But we'll get those cleaned up. And the toilet, I think someone stole it. So we'll have to work on getting a toilet. But it's nice. The beds are, you know, for this RV, they're really nice, very comfortable. And just the amount of windows is just awesome. And then these are like benches. But we got to do a little work with those. But still, it's like a little storage area. But I guess there was a table here at one point. Who knows where that thing is. But, you know, we have a little work to do with this. And we're getting more and more bees in here. Of course. And there's a radio. Chances are it doesn't work. And this thing, we looked around for the top for this and we couldn't find it. Found everything but that. There was this, but this doesn't really go with it. You know? But this bad boy is a 1951. So it's in great shape. I mean, all in all, it's great shape. I mean, I love this countertop. So retro. It's beautiful. And the lowered windows are going to be really nice in the summer. Right now, it's the end of November, so it's pretty cold outside. Then this is, you know, another thing. Got to fix. Water damage. Well, more than likely, we're going to go and get some of that rubber roof cement and redo the entire roof up on top and take a look up there and see if there's anything that needs to be repaired. More than likely there probably is, because with the water damage that's here and back there, there's something going on. But yeah, we love it. We're going to have to do something about the flooring and keep our eye out for like the knobs for the stove. We love it. It's great. $600. We paid $600 for this. And it was another $220 to have it towed up here. So, it's not a bad deal. Look, now there's a wasp hanging out with the bee. Uh-oh, we might have a fight. Oh, that's it. There's this little heating unit here, which I probably didn't show you. But that thing looks great. And of course, a hole in the wall. But yeah, it'll take some time to get this thing looking good. I think already it looks pretty nice, but we'll definitely be upgrading some of the things in here, like the carpet, for instance. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this presentation, and thanks for watching.